my drone crashed. It happened late January. I was staying with my mate Maxie, Tony, the new friend at the time was Joyce. I was flying off their balcony, thing malfunctioned. Turns around, changes mode. And the mode it changed to meant that the sensors didn't work. This thing flies 40 miles an hour into the 25th floor of a CBD building and smashes into the window. My heart dropped, skipped a few beats, skipped 1 off 5. What are you doing, John?
I'm collecting some mussels or those things.
Yeah, you need some.
Mussels? You're collecting some mussels.
No.
Yeah. The reason why I've probably been using the same sort of drone footage from my introductions is because I've been without my drone for about 9 weeks. I originally bought it beginning of January from a place called DigiDirect, but they are probably the worst company alongside their suppliers, which are CR Kennedy, trying to fix something, trying to get something done. And that's why I spent 9 weeks without it, and I finally got it back today, and I'm so pleased. You're gonna see some footage today, but this is a very short video about why I haven't been using my drone. I hope you like it. Yeah! Little boy! Made for me.
God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't.